Turn it on, man.
Now it's on there, now you see.
We're welding together framework for our filters for our downdraft paint booth. Now I'm showing Ben how to weld an 1/8 inch gap in 1/8 inch steel. It's a good thing you can restart welding without any kind of problem with flux core, because I can't see good enough to stay on track. I don't need the long stick out in this situation because the metal is thick enough that I can run a continuous bead. I just have to stop and make sure I'm going in the right direction. Now we're going to attempt to find some slag on this weld.
I like it. Are you close to it?
It does.
As you can see, there is not a speck of slag on that weld. There is just dust. No slag. Do you understand me? There's no slag on this weld.
I just got one question. Is there slag on the weld?
There's no slag on that weld.
One more time and I believe you.
One more time, okay.
One more time. No slag.
Here, we'll chip it. We'll chip it with a chipping knife. Where's that slag? I can't find it.
Slag to the left.
There's no slag on flux core.
Now please touch my like thingy and share my shizzle and subscribe, damn it!